Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to connect your Microsoft Outlook calendar to Gohighlevel. Syncing our Outlook calendar helps us keep appointments organized, avoid double bookings, and ensure everything updates in real time. Let's get started. On the Gohighlevel dashboard, we go to Calendars. Once we are in the calendar, we go to Calendar Settings at the top of the page. In Calendar Settings, we go to Connections, and then you will see Add New Key. Click Add New. You will see Outlook Calendar. Click this to connect. Now we need to sign in to Microsoft, enter your Gmail. If you have not done this before, you will need to create one. There may be a message saying 281 or make it bigger. Just click Next. It may ask you to do something with Gmail. Make sure to verify this. Now we are connected to our Outlook calendar. You can now see the connections. We are now using the Outlook calendar. This is how we connect our Outlook calendar to Gohighlevel. After syncing, test by booking a sample appointment to confirm everything is working properly.